Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we'll be walking through the process of redeeming a gift card using the Square point of sale system. To start off, make sure you're logged in to the 99mind dashboard and have been redirected to the appropriate screen. Here, you'll find the section where all your gift cards are listed. Now, simply click on any one of the gift cards available. Let's take a $10 gift card as an example. You'll notice the current balance is $10, which we can use for redemption on the Square point of sale. I've copied the card details, so let's move over to Square. Here we are on the Square dashboard. This platform allows us to place orders using the Square point of sale system. Let's head over to the Order section to proceed with our redemption. Next, we'll need to itemize our sale by adding any item. Let's say I'm adding an item priced at $9. This means we'll need to capture the payment corresponding to this amount. We'll manually enter the gift card information now. Using the gift card number that we copied earlier, let's ensure the last 4 digits, 91197, match. Now, select the manual gift card option and click Charge. The payment is successful. Refreshing the 99minds dashboard shows the $10 gift card now has $1 remaining after our $9 redemption. Finally, you can check the redemption transaction in Square. You'll see the transaction ID and the updated current balance. And that's how you redeem a gift card on the Square point of sale. Thank you for watching.